Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will discover signature designs for your Hammond Enclosure. Renowned for its customer-first approach, with over 100 years of experience, Hammond Manufacturing offers a wide range of enclosure modifications to fit your project just right. From drilling and milling to integrating accessories and other custom modifications, they offer the flexibility to match most technical requirements. Their latest offering now comes with another practical benefit. Bring your enclosures to life with vibrant, full-color digital enclosure printing. Hammond's UV digital printer adds crisp graphics, logos, patterns, and symbols exactly where you want them in top-tier quality. It uses 8 ink positions, combining standard CMYK with clear dual white and a primer. Together, these inks make it possible to achieve a striking variety of surface finishes. The primer is applied selectively, helping the colors stay sharp and well adhered, even on tricky surfaces like smooth or textured finishes. Clear ink adds gloss, matte, or embossed finishes, helping achieve an impressive range of surface effects, ideal for logos, backgrounds, and legends that give your enclosure a polished, professional edge. With a library of more than 100 texture effects to choose from, your design options are wide open. Moreover, they offer a wide range of color customization options for enclosures made from high-quality ABS, flame-retardant ABS, or polycarbonate. Choose the shade that best suits your application, and they'll manufacture it to your exact specifications. Alongside printing and colors for your enclosures, Hammond Manufacturing offers full modification services to fit your technical specs and requirements. Think custom sizes, special materials, cutouts, holes, threads, and accessory mounting. All delivered with high-precision laser and CNC machining that guarantees exact position and dimensions. Hammond can also provide aluminum enclosures in custom lengths, helping you get a housing that precisely fits your device. They can also add modifications like pressing in fastening parts, such as nuts, studs, and spacers. Modifying your enclosures directly with Hammond Manufacturing comes with benefits of speed, accuracy, cost saving, and 100% precision. An extensive range of Hammond enclosures is now available and ready to meet the challenges of your projects. Additional versions and enclosure accessories can be supplied on request with favorable terms and technical support for your project directly from the manufacturer. If you are interested in more information, just reach out at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to help you.